and welcome. Whether you are trying to sell your products on eBay or you are looking to buy some products, if you want to find on what price are the products being sold on, you can find by searching for sold items on eBay. Hello everyone, welcome to How to Guide. In this video, we're gonna see how we can search for sold items on eBay. Well, for example, if we search for charger and click on this advanced search. Okay, let's first click search. This gives us all the listings, all the sold and unsold ones. So let's just select this advanced one, and below at some point you can see sold items, right? Then you click on search again. Now this green color on the price shows that this item is sold on this price. Same for this one and this one. You can further narrow down your search results by clicking on auction, buy it now, condition, any condition, new or whatever, and delivery options and so on. Another method is if you scroll down to this side and at the bottom, almost at the bottom, you can see show only completed items. Since we are viewing the sold items search results, this is selected already, but you can also go to this side and select this, see only the sold item. If you found this video helpful, you can also help me by giving this video a big thumbs up. If you still have any questions, do leave them in the comment section and we'll get back to you right away. Until next time, bye bye.